Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to take Kefir Probiotic. To start, begin with a small amount, perhaps 1/4 cup daily, to allow your body to adjust. You can gradually increase your intake over time. Kefir is versatile. Enjoy it plain, blend it into your favorite smoothie, or even use it as a base for salad dressings. It's a fantastic addition to meals or a refreshing, healthy snack. Listen to your body and find what works best for you. For optimal benefits, consistency is key when consuming kefir. Many find that drinking it on an empty stomach, perhaps first thing in the morning, allows for maximum probiotic absorption. Remember, kefir contains live cultures, so avoid heating it, as high temperatures can destroy these beneficial bacteria. Always store your kefir, whether homemade or store-bought, in the refrigerator to maintain its freshness and potency. This ensures you get the most out of every serving. Achieving the perfect consistency and flavor balance is key to a great dip. A good rule of thumb is to aim for a 2-to-1 ratio of your creamy base to other flavorful additions. Ensure all fresh ingredients are finely chopped, about 1/8 of an inch, for even distribution. Gently fold everything together to maintain that smooth, creamy texture. Most importantly, let your dip chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or even an hour, allowing all those wonderful flavors to fully meld. When incorporating kefir into your diet, it's important to listen to your body and adjust your intake as needed. If you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, always consult a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. Be aware that some individuals might experience minor digestive changes initially as their body adapts. Finally, always ensure your kefir is fresh and properly fermented to guarantee you're receiving the highest quality and most beneficial probiotic product.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.